Finally, when you are aware about competition between OpenAI and DeepSeek, it is time to review the real cost of training AI models. It is a very important topic for someone who wants to understand the artificial intelligence reality. Let's take a look. The cost of training frontier AI models is surging, costing over 170 to 190 million, driven by massive compute hardware and energy requirements. Training expenses are rising approximately by 2.5 times annually, with forecasts suggesting costs could exceed 1 billion, let's say by 2027. What are the industry consequences? Very important. The escalating costs mean that only heavily funded tech giants can afford to build frontier models, leading to greater industry concentration and the potential shift towards smaller, more specialized models to manage expenses. While training costs are immense, inference, running the models, is expected to become the dominant expense by year 2030. Most important here is that only heavily funded tech giants can afford to build real artificial intelligence frontier models. Next, key drivers of surging costs: scale and compute. Training AI requires increasingly large clusters of powerful GPUs, with spending on training hardware doubling every 8 months. Energy and data center demand. Cutting-edge models consume tens to hundreds of megawatts, creating demand comparable to a medium-sized power plant. Labor and research and development. Beyond compute, significant investments go into specialized researcher salaries, not cheap ones, data gathering, and pre-training development. What is the high-end training cost predictions by approximately year 2030? There are medium models, you see the numbers, large models, and frontier models. As you can see, they are not cheap at all. For example, medium models that they could cost up to $500,000. Large models, they could cost up to 6 millions. And frontier models to train and develop and train, up to 120 million. It's not cheap, as you can see. And it belongs to giant tech companies.